Okay, so today I want to talk a little bit more about probiotics and the different types of probiotics that you can take on a daily basis to help keep your immune system in tip top. Okay, so as you may already know, probiotics boost immunity. And the reason for this is because 80% of your immune system is within your digestive tract. And there's all sorts of beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive tract. We are actually more bacteria than we are human. So if we don't have this healthy ecosystem going on, then our immune systems can suffer. So on a daily basis, we should be trying to consume probiotic foods, beverages, and supplements if needed. So what I take normally on a daily basis, I take a probiotic supplement. I take like one of these capsules a day. And then what I also do is make my own fermented foods and beverages. And the reason that this is so important is because this probiotic supplement has probiotics in it from, or bacteria in it from, some other place. When you make your own probiotic foods and beverages, they're going to have the probiotics or healthy bacteria that come from right here in your environment, which is exactly what you need in your own system, is the healthy bacteria from your own environment. So this is helpful, but making your own fermented foods and beverages is a much better way of getting your healthy bacteria into you. So this here is sauerkraut. I made red cabbage sauerkraut, and it just hangs out in my fridge, and I take a forkful of this every day. It's actually really yummy, so I usually take more than a forkful, but as you can see, it's just sauerkraut, and it's actually really yummy, and it is full of healthy, beneficial bacteria right from here in my own environment. And it's actually really yummy. So a forkful would be good, but like I said, I take more than a forkful, and it's not going to hurt to have a little extra healthy bacteria. Now, the other thing that I do is I make kombucha. So this is a fermented beverage, and I'll just have a little bit of this a day, because this does have a bit of sugar in it. Not a lot, because the probiotics, or like the SCOBY, eats the sugar. So there's not going to be a whole lot of sugar left, but still some, okay? And what I do is I will pour some, like I'll strain some through one of these into, say, like a measuring cup or something. The reason I use this when I'm pouring is because I don't want to end up with any, like the SCOBY material or anything like that. I just want the liquid. And sometimes when you're pouring it off, you'll get a little bit of the SCOBY or the sediment from the bottom or something like that. So I just strain it, and I usually measure out about 4 ounces. I'll have 4 ounces of kombucha daily, and I think that's a pretty good amount. So you can get these big jars with a spigot, so that you could just pour it off and the sediment would stay at the bottom, if the spigot was a little bit up here. But I just have one of these big giant jars, so I have to pour it off and hope that the SCOBY doesn't all come out. And like I said, I measure about 4 ounces, and then I'll just pour this into a drinking glass and consume this probiotic beverage. Okay, so I would consume this, a forkful of this, and then I also take one of these, and I have now tons of healthy probiotics. The best time to take this, you can do your own research on this, but I believe it's first thing in the morning when your stomach acid is at its lowest point. So as soon as you eat food, your stomach's going to start producing acid to help break down that food. So I'm going to consume these things first thing before I start actually eating food. And I'll take this with some water and, or just this, and a couple forksfuls of this, and then I would move on to eating whatever it is after I've broken my fast. So smoothie or salad or something along these lines. But really, there's tons of different fermented foods and beverages that you can make at home. It's just these are the easiest for me and what I have most experience with. I am going to try to make some kefirs down the road, which I'm kind of excited about, but for now this is what I'm using. And I feel like this is actually one of the most important things in my daily regime, because like I said, my immune system is 80% in my digestive tract, so those bacteria are so important to be getting on a daily basis to help keep everything balanced and healthy in your system. Your ecosystem, that's what it is. You have an ecosystem going on, so you want to make sure that you've got lots of the good guys and a healthy balance of everything. But anyways, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks for joining me and have a really fantastic day.